Okay, now we go to the drive testing. Drive testing, we need to start recording the data. Okay, and also here, we recording the data. Okay, we go to step on the brake. We go to start. Now it's ready. We press on the D gear. Release the handbrake. And step on the accelerator slowly. This is the forward gear. And we switch to neutral gear and go to reverse gear. See, the reverse light is on. This is the reverse light, and this is the foot brake light. And we step on the accelerator. We can see the motor is going to other direction. This is the PMAC software. You can see the current is going up. Okay, we go to neutral gear. Put on the handbrake and we switch to off. Thank you.